for you, baby. You need somebody wavy. Shorty know I got it, shorty know I'm on it. Pull up upon me when I rub up on palming. Come fuck with the top shot, money on me, no.
Alright you guys, so before we hit the gym, I'm going to show you my pre-workout meal. So while I'm making my actual breakfast, I'm going to also make myself a protein shake because I'm starving and I need something on my stomach now. So I'm just going to be taking some 2% reduced fat milk and the pure protein whey powder. And I'm just going to mix that together in my blender bottle. Excuse my little brother. And yeah, I'm just gonna make myself a protein shake because I'm impatient and I'm starving. So yeah, and I also like to add some ice to it so it can stay chilled. That's the only way I like to drink it. If it's warm, I can't drink a protein shake. It's nasty. So yeah, I highly recommend adding ice. As for my breakfast, what I really wanted to eat was avocado toast with an egg and some tomatoes, but we didn't have no damn avocados, so scratch that. I came upstairs and my grandma was already making sausages and eggs, so I was like, why not? She also had pancakes, but I was like, no, pancakes are going to be too heavy on my stomach before we went to the gym. So I was like, I'm going to miss out on the pancakes. It was real hard. It was a real hard decision, but I did it, okay? So clap for Jaterra. So here's my whole breakfast. No, I did not record myself eating because that's just weird, but just know I downed that shit. And now we're at the gym.
Talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can wait and wait until I wanna make that move. Let me tell you if you like it, tell me if you like it. I can wait until I wanna make that move. Let's wait until you turn and you are ready. I know what you do, only you are ready. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Usually you wanna leave. I know I'm not down. They've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Usually you only do. I know that you ask me. Now baby, I've been waiting for you. Gonna make I'm moving on, looking at you. Let me tell you if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Oh no, I've been waiting. Hey, I'm gonna make that move. Let me tell you if you like it. Baby, I love you all the way down. Try when you like it. I promise you like it. I should relax and let me move. So shake it, baby, put you
So if you didn't know, stretching is super duper essential to working out, okay? You never want to be doing an exercise and then get a cramp or pull a muscle. We don't need none of that, okay? We do not want you in pain. So make sure you spend a lot of your time stretching. After I stretch, I like to start doing warm-up exercises before I hit any of the machines, okay? So I'm going to start off with some leg raises. I like to do 2 at a time first, and then I do 1 at a time. When I raise both of my legs, it's really working out my core. It gets my stomach feeling super tight, and I really love it. And then when I do 1 leg at a time, it works out my upper thigh, okay? Because we need the tummy to be flat and the thighs to be on point, okay? I like to do 3 sets of 10, 3 reps of 10. I don't know, is that how you say it? I'm new to this. Anyways, I also like to plank because that helps my core out as well. If my form is off, don't come for me in the comment section, okay? It's my first day working out and I'm a beginner, okay? So yeah, I switch up through leg raises and planking about 3 times, 10 each, until I can't take no more.
I know them all the guys. They've been talking about the way
Wow, look at me struggling to do the 6 inches. Tuh. Then I try scissor kicks. Girl, no, them things are hard. I could not do it, okay? I just couldn't. So I gave up, I'm not gonna lie. And I started to do these mountain climber things. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I got this workout from, what's her name? I love her YouTube. Her name is Annabelle Hayes. I love watching her channel. If you don't know about her, go check her out. But yeah, she did these and her body is on point, so I tried them. And I actually really like these. And then I went into donkey kicks. Again, if my form is trash, keep your commentary to yourself, okay? For this exercise, I thought I was going to hate these. Oh my god, when I watched Annabelle did it, she did it with a, what is it called, a dumbbell, but they didn't have those next to me, so I got a 4-pound ball instead, and I'm doing these Russian twists. I thought I was gonna hate this exercise, but I like doing this exercise. It hurts like crazy, but it's a good hurt. Like, yeah. So just like the exercises from earlier, I did everything in 3 reps of 10, and I just switched them in and out, so whichever body part I was working on could give it a rest while I work on something else, and then when I go back I still feel the burn. So yeah, that's how I like doing those. But I'm just gonna speed through this, and while you're watching that, go ahead and take a break and make sure you are liking this video, because I feel like I'm giving y'all some really good content. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. You gotta subscribe to the kid, and follow me on Instagram, because yeah, my Instagram needs to get up there, you feel me? Like, we're lacking on the social media. I need y'all to become a part of all the families, okay? So now that we're done our warm-up workout, we can hit the big dogs, okay? Now we finna get on the machines, okay? So the first machine that I got on was the hip abduction machine. Basically, it allows you to do a back squat, and it engages your quads, your glutes, and your hamstrings. I love this machine. It's one of my favorites. Basically, what I did was I started off with a very low weight, so about like 20, and I just pumped out 30 sets, 30 reps. I don't know. I did it 30 times without stopping with 20 weights, okay? And then I moved it down to I moved it up to about 40 or 50, and then I did those 10 at a time. I really hope that makes sense. But basically, what I learned from Annabelle is the lower the weight, but the more you do it, really engages whichever part of the body that you're trying to grow. And I'm trying to grow these glutes, honey. So yeah, that's why I did it the way I did it. Okay, cool. Because my end goal is to gain weight, not lose. So I'm just walking on a treadmill for about 5 minutes, and I gradually like to increase the incline and the speed, but I'm not running. I'm too clumsy for that. And also, I love a good playlist when I'm working out. So yeah, if y'all want me to do like a gym playlist in the future, you know, just comment down below so you can see certain people I like to listen to. You know, I like to listen to A Boogie, Travis, DDG, G Herbo, Meg, that's my girl. You know, if you want to hear what that sounds like and maybe I can do like an at-home workout routine, then, you know, comment down below. Girl, okay, so right now it's the next day I'm editing this, and I just want y'all to know that my legs are so sore, and I really think it's from the stair climber machine. Like, doing a lot of steps on the stair climber, oh my god, my legs hurt so much, but it's so good. Like, it's such a satisfying feeling. Like, this really works your thighs out. Like, it's unbelievable. And just like the treadmill, I did 5 minutes on the stair climber as well. Okay, so now we're moving on to the ab machine, you know, abdominal. Fun fact, I hate core workouts. That shit is hard. I hate it. Like, just look at this. Just look. Yo, like, I'm so weak at myself. Like, I tried once and I was like, fuck no. Like, this is not about to work. But I think I only was doing like 20 pounds, very low, because I hate core. Like I said, it's so hard, especially with the type of waist trainer I have on. It doesn't allow you to move that much, so it was sort of acting like a huge resistant band on my stomach. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all, I was struggling, but I powered through. I think I did 3 reps of 10. I don't know, girl, it was a hot mess. Okay, so we're almost at the finish line. We are at the last machine of the day, which is the leg press. This is basically a seated squat, and I don't know, I like this better than doing regular squats because I just feel like everything is a little bit more engaged. But anyways, this is my #1 favorite machine over any other. I don't know why, but I can just pump out a lot of squats on this machine, which is why I did really low weight. About like 30 pounds is low for me on this machine because I can take a lot. And I just exercised the entire time to the song Cash Shit by Megan Thee Stallion and the Baby. That's only like 3 minutes long, FYI. So I was just pumping out squats with 30 pounds until the song was over. I almost died, but you know, I felt really good afterwards. And then I increased the pounds to about 50 or 75, and I did 3 reps of 10. And yeah, this is my last workout of the day. Like I said, after that I just stretched, I cleaned myself off, and I was ready to go home and take a shower and eat. Okay, so yeah. Alright, you guys, so I'm back home. I walked home, so this is the little shirt that I had on going to and coming back from the gym because I'm from DC. I live in Southeast, okay? And my Planet Fitness is right in the ghetto, so I'm not about to be walking around like this, okay? I already got catcalled about 12 times just by walking around like this, so yeah, without the shirt it's not a go. But as y'all can see, I've been wearing as y'all can see, I've been wearing a waist trainer all day. I don't know where I got this waist trainer from because my mom gave it to me, but let me see if I got the thing with it. What is it called? Okay, great. I still got the packaging that it came in. So this is what it's called, waist shapers. And here's all the information. No, it ain't sponsored, and no, I didn't purchase it either. I'm not sure how much it costs. I think it's really old though. I'm not even sure if these people are still in business, but like I said, my mom bought this a while ago, and they gave her 2. I'm not sure. Or she got 2 in different sizes, one the small, one the medium. This is a small that I have on. How it works is, let me make sure I don't show any under boobs. But how it works is, it's a zipper, and then underneath the zipper is also like the little straps that's on the back of your bra. That's what it reminds me of. So yeah, this is what it looks like all around. Shout out to Fashion Nova for this workout set. But yeah, that was my day 1 at the gym. Okay, I'm gonna go back tomorrow. I know I showed you guys my pre-meal, my pre-workout meal. I'm not sure what I'm about to eat for my post meal. All I'm worried about is getting in the shower because, girl, I do not smell like my normal self. Okay, so so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Okay.
Fill up, baby, fill on me.